is chemical coordination. I have told you previously that coordination takes place by two ways. One is the nervous coordination, another one is the chemical coordination. In nervous coordination, we have studied that the coordination that is take place by the nervous system in which neurons are involved is termed as nervous coordination. Nervous coordination is the coordination in which a body responds very fastly against any stimulus. The signals of communication take place through electrochemical signals. While in chemical coordination, the coordination take place through organic substances that are released by specific cells within the body, is termed as chemical coordination. This coordination is slow and is take place through the chemical substance, which response is very slow as compared to nervous system. There are various types of cells are present in the body, in which some cells are specialized to secrete some organic chemical substances. These are termed as glands. There are two types of glands are present. One is the endocrine gland, another one is the exocrine gland. Exocrine gland. Exocrine gland are those glands which consist of specialized cell, and its secretion reaches to the particular area by the help of duct, which is also termed as ductal gland. While endocrine gland are those glands in which chemical that is released by the specialized cell directly into the blood. In blood, it regulates and then it reaches to the targeted organ or targeted cell. The secretion of the exocrine gland is termed as enzyme, while the secretion of endocrine gland is termed as a harmone. Harmone is the organic chemical substance that are secreted by the endocrine gland, and it directly released inside the blood and then regulate within the blood and reaches its target organ. Hormones are three types on the basis of its nature of molecule. One is the peptide hormone, another one is the modified amino acid hormone, and third one is the steroid hormone. Peptide hormone. As you come to know by the name is peptide hormone is a hormone that is consists of protein molecule. There are two types of peptide hormone. One is the small chain hormone, another one is the long chain hormone. Small chain hormone is the hormone in which some amount or very few numbers of amino acids are involved. And the example of this is anti-diabetic hormone and oxytocin. While long chain hormone consists of number of amino acids, and the examples of long chain hormone, peptide hormone are glucagon, insulin and prolactin. Second one is the modified amino acid hormone. Modified amino acid hormone are those hormones that changes its structure by the addition of different other molecules. It includes thyroxine, epinephrine and norepinephrine. While steroid hormone is lipid in nature and it consists of all because its secretion is directly released within the blood without any doubt. While exocrine gland is a gland that secretion is reaches to the targeted cell through the duct. Now, how these hormones act? The action of hormone consists of two ways. Some are peptide in nature and some are steroid in nature. The hormones that are peptide in nature that affect on the body by the help of receptor that is present on the plasma membrane. Here is plasma membrane, and on the plasma membrane there is a receptor is present at which hormone come and attach. This receptor is attached with another hormone which is slowly secreted within the body, which is termed as adenylate cyclase. This adenylate cyclase becomes activated because of the attachment of any hormone. How this hormone attach on the receptor? Every cell membrane has receptor with specific site or having a specific binding site on the receptor. When this hormone detected this receptor, then it comes and binds with the receptor. In the result, it activates adenylate cyclase. This adenylate cyclase activates ATP inside the cytoplasm. What is ATP? ATP is adenosine triphosphate and it is a form of energy. This energy is activated by adenylate cyclase when any hormone comes and bind with any receptor. And the result of activation of that adenylate cyclase, ATP is converted into cyclic adenosine monophosphate. This cyclic adenosine monophosphate activates the enzyme inside the cytoplasm. In the result, enzyme is activated the synthesis of particular substance or the perform its function for various metabolic activities within the body. Hormones which are steroid in nature can be passed through the plasma membrane without any binding because it has soluble in nature. It dissolves with the plasma membrane constituents and then pass through the plasma membrane inside the cytoplasm. When it enters inside the cytoplasm, then it searches its receptor and binds with it. This receptor carries this hormone to the nucleus. When this hormone reaches inside the nucleus, it directly gives message to the DNA molecule to activate, and in the result, any enzyme synthesized for the particular function within the body. So, in this way, hormones act within the body of an organism. There are various types of endocrine glands are present in the human being, includes pituitary gland that is present at the base of midbrain, another gland that is present in the neck region is thyroid gland. Adrenal gland is present above the kidney, about which we have studied in excretion. Female gonad is present gland, and thymus is present in between the lungs or sternum, on the sternum, and pancreas is present in the alimentary canal, which is present below and behind the stomach. Male gland is present in scrotum, which is termed as testes. The amount of hormone can be increased or decreased, and it regulates within the body by means of feedback mechanism that we have studied in hemostasis. In hemostasis, I have told you that feedback mechanism is a mechanism that is become active at the time of abnormal concentration of any substance within the body or because of any change outside inside of the body. There are two types of feedback mechanism. One is positive, another one is the negative feedback mechanism. Positive feedback mechanism is the mechanism in which when any substance increases within the body, it enhances it and it increases the substance more inside the body to perform the function. I have told you the example of oxytocin that happens in the birth. While negative feedback is the feedback in which any substance when comes high more than normal range of the substance, then negative feedback takes place, in the result of which the substance comes to its normal range and perform its normal function. Hormone is also regulated by feedback mechanism. If the added level of hormone is decreased within the blood, then what happens? This decreased hormone is detected by the receptors and act as a stimulus, and when this is detected by the endocrine gland, then more hormone secretion so level in the blood rise. If the level increase in endocrine gland secretes too much, then in the result of this increase, the hormone level act as a signal or stimulus. This stimulus is detected by the endocrine gland cells and it stops or inhibits the secretion of that particular hormone, in the result of which this hormone no more released and the level of hormone becomes to normal. I hope you got the idea about hormone, endocrine gland, and how the hormone acts on the targeted cell, and how this hormone is regulated within the body of an organism. In the next lecture, we will study about different type of glands in detail and what is the effects of these glands on the body. If the release of this gland increase within the body shows different type of defects that we will study in the next lecture.